Right here, aren't I? If Nicole's bag has got a piece across the front, a piece across the side, and a piece across the side, which you need all that for the side actually, and I've said front, and a piece across the back, a lining's got to be the same, hasn't it? Exactly the same as the front. So that's because it's too big. She's done this as a lining now. So I'm thinking if we just insert these down either side.